Hello everyone, today let's make curd rice, the one that's light and creamy and so comforting. You can enjoy this as a meal or at the end of your meal. So without further ado, let's get cooking. For this we need about 1 cup of rice that's fully cooked. Do not overcook it or mash it because that is going to be baby food. Cook the rice to the usual consistency, and to this add about 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Give it a good mix, and to this we will add about half a cup or quarter cup of milk. Give that a good mix. When you have curd rice, you need to feel the rice. It should not be completely mashed because that's not fun. To this add salt as required, and then your creamy curd. Now this has to be good quality curd, the one that's not very runny, not very sour. Your usual yogurt would do, or if you want it more creamy, you can use Greek yogurt. Add as much curd as you'd need, but add them slowly because if you've already added too much, you can't undo that. Give this a good mix. Now you can see this could easily take more curd. And maybe a dash of water as well. Now that you have to eyeball and see how the consistency is and make it iterative as and when you need. Always check for salt because usually the salt is very less. Make sure you add little at a time so you don't overdo it. Check for the creaminess, check for the runny consistency, check for salt at every step and add as required. Now I tasted this and I felt maybe I needed a little more curd, and I did add just 1 more teaspoon of curd to this. Now let's prepare the tadka. Splutter some mustard seeds in oil, some dry red chilies, curry leaves, chopped ginger and chopped green chilies, and a pinch of asafoetida. Not a pinch, like 2-3 pinches of asafoetida. Put off the fire, give it a good stir, and add this to the curd rice. To this add a generous amount of chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. To make it a little more special, you could add some grapes or pomegranate. I had pomegranate on hand, so I'm adding them. This is optional, but it does take curd rice to a whole other level. And there you have it. Light, creamy, and absolutely delicious. Enjoy this with some pickle, papadam, and you are set. Try this and let me know how you liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.